Man, we there farm vibes, you know, right on the farm, you know, you don't get it no better than this. Right on the farm. See the lady at the hour, Sister Maureen. So when you come, just ask for Maureen, and you get your fish, you see them fish here? Yeah. Yeah. So, like the jerk pan, I go on with itself here too. Yeah. So, in the given Friday, when I'm dead on the road there, in the day, just call Maureen and we soon talk to her.
One stop package, man.
Yeah, man.
Everything.
Everything.
Oh.
Man, see, jerk, man, yeah. Yeah, and everything I do right now the farm, you see, and at the farm with it. And right there, if you know you want cane, you get your cane and thing. So, yeah. Sister Maureen, yeah, natural cane juice.
Wow.
See them over there, so? Cane. And then you have the juice.
Yeah,
and a joke thing. See, man, the thing, man, cane juice. Can I get your fruit juice right there, sir? Alright, see the real man here, Papa. See the cane them there, straight out of the farm. No joke thing around here. So we say cane juice are the best cane juice around town.
Yeah, man, we mix it. Sometimes we do it with we have pineapple. We do it with apple. We do it with strawberry, mulberry. You know.
Anything
we are try. Now we are try the callaloo to see how we can give, you know.
Callaloo with the cane juice?
With the cane juice.
What?
Yeah, so we have our next bridging soon coming in and bring in all of our roots and
alright. Yeah, man, so sweet, right, that's over there. So when I went on open?
We open every day, you know, basically Saturday, Friday,
Saturday weekend thing.
Basically, we do it because we want something where people can come.
Sit down and relax.
Yes. Once you come, you already felt the vibes.
Yeah, man. See,
it's a dead end street. We can park. We can park.
So parking is no problem.
No problem. So
and
we give thanks
safe and nice. Yeah.
Beautiful.
See, right where the man is on that mango tree, you know. So everything say a chatting the mango tree. The man on that. I see key in there. Papaya. So if you're there, I don't feel like no one care about it for bag. You just walk come over there. Alright, church you go on. You just come over here so I come pick up a green goat you can set up there. Yeah. Some papaya. And see cane man gone in there. Yeah, man.
When we go to New York, we have 1 month up in our alley, I watch and I road kid out there.
Yeah, man. Fish them here, you know.
I'm going to try the callaloo with you, though.
Alright, so I'm going to show you where I go on. I don't think that's chatting. All I want to have a little ailment, see that? Callaloo with cane at the same time.
And so you can get all the healthy juices too.
Yeah, any juice.
Turmeric shots, ginger shots, callaloo shots, Guinean shots.
Why that thing is supposed to be. So you say, Sister Maureen, anywhere we can get?
Any shots. Any shots that's good for your health.
Yeah, I'll give you some time make you know what go on. So tell them where they can find it and your phone number.
Oh, my phone number is 352-530-0191. We're located in Davie, Florida at the corner of Flamingo and Orange Drive, Southwest 121 Terrace. Davie, Florida.
And they're here pretty much Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yeah.
But any day of the week.
This kind of stuff, but any day of the week.
Wow,
any day of the week.
Golden Cross. This is not the Golden Cross Restaurant, the Golden Cross Festival. Yes, sir. You get my fish, you know. I don't want too much. And there's some other stuff. Cane juice. Cane juice, me have that, you know. With callaloo at the same time, and that's a mixture.
I want it right. Oh, hey.
the thing there.
Right now the farm is the Popeye.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, drink cane
Tastes
juice.
good. This tastes good.
Oh, and the color one, that's a bomb.
Yeah. Drink off all of Maurice.
Color one, cane juice, boy. I want
You
to.
feed your husband when you want him to live long.
What? All right.
No.
Him dead.
So
No, you know, so me don't want to be dead.
So the natural juice,
Yeah,
Papa.
and then me reach at work and me have
It's
cinnamon down there.
color low
And
with
they cook
cane.
Every minute, by the time I get on the
This
phone,
is
every minute me
cane
dance.
natural.
India hairdresser right now. From
No. Read up on phone, I don't know. She
no,
take
she
order.
go now.
Fish are big and nice, man. Yeah, man. And a banga Mary, them we are talking about the real thing.
She's a manga here,
Yeah, go do it now. You realize
See,
that?
see Sister Maureen still in the farm, because while people are here waiting, they order, callaloo.
Yes, fresh callaloo.
See cabbage are full there. One of the kind of things that this place a play thing. It's only gonna get bigger and better. We're gonna have a weekly, weekend thing coming and you relax.
Tomorrow, no, we're gonna be having.
Back with Sister Maureen here. Is it tomorrow what?
We're gonna be having manish water here tomorrow.
That's so on Saturdays you have soup pretty much.
Yeah.
Alright. Really up to a great start. Your heart clean, so
I wanna do
you'll
some-
survive.
some onion.
Yeah, put it on the side, the pepper. Yeah, just put the
nice.
juice on the fish and put
Yeah,
the carrot
man.
and the onion. The smell, it smell good.
Yeah,
I was
man.
happy.